popping back the oven cook. What I'm going to do today is a revisited video. This is going to be a vegetable egg fried rice, and I've got some of these. They're really tasty. They are cauliflower cheese grills. They're really nice. So this is going to be like a vegetarian dinner really. So what I've got some rice that's already cooked in the bag, and some mixed vegetables that's already cooked and drained. And I've got a white onion, a couple of cloves of garlic, 3 eggs, salt and pepper, and some seasoning. So I'll just chop up the garlic and the onion, and then we get started. And we'll see you soon. Cheers. So I've got a pan on, a little bit of olive oil, and we'll get our onions in. Get our garlic. Get our vegetables. Add some of our rice. This is basmati rice actually, by the way. This is like sticky rice. I prefer this rice. If you think it's going a bit dry, just give it a few squirts of olive oil. Just add a little bit more rice to that. Bit of black pepper. Bit of salt. And some seasoning. Just have a little taste. Yeah, that's nice. Just needs a little bit more seasoning. So what we do, just make a little opening, get 1 egg, let that cook through a little bit, and then we chop it up and then go again with another egg. So see you back in a minute. So as this one starts cooking, you can start to chop it up. Get that to one side. And we go again. And so on. We'll do a third one and then we'll bring you back. See you soon. Okay, so this is Urban's vegetable egg fried rice. And you can see that in there. It's all lovely and moist. Got our lovely vegetables, our basmati rice, our eggs, and seasoning, black pepper and salt. And I've tasted it, it's really lovely. So we're going to have this with a couple of veggie cauliflower cheese grills. So this is it. Urban's egg vegetables fried rice 2.0. I made this on my very first video I done. So this is a revamp. So please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, see you later, bye.